Today I wanted to do a little Pacifica unboxing for you. I love Pacifica. Ooh, pretty colors. And I don't even remember what I got. I just picked a bunch of stuff because they were having a salé, so you know, a girl loves her salés. This is a couple of the items. I got some deodorant wipes. I got a little bit of makeup as well. I got 2 lip colors. A lot of people have been telling me to start wearing sunscreen, which I know, I should have been following that a long time ago. I get it, but I'm brown, so I thought it's fine. But the sun ages your skin quite a bit. So I got a couple things that are that have SPF. That way I can kind of try them out and see. So that's why I decided to get everything that I did. The first thing I got was the Mineral Shimmer Sunscreen Rose Gold Glow. It's broad spectrum UVA UVB. Oh, you have to click it. you have to click it open, I think. Yeah, let's see. Oh, this is like colored. Look it. I wonder if there was different shades and I just didn't think about that. It smells really rosy. I can't tell if it's gonna be too light on my skin. So far in the sunlight, it doesn't look like it would be. I love super rosy smelling things, so I wouldn't mind if it smelled more rosy, but this is probably good for somebody who likes that little hint and not that like overpowering like grandma smell. I love that overpowering grandma smell, but that's just me. And you know what? Don't worry about the tone. Even if you're mocha, you can wear this. I do like this. On to our next item. Oh my god, I'm so excited too because I got deodorant wipes. I've been wanting to try these for a long time. I just haven't really gotten to them. Okay, so this one's a Gardenia one. This is Gardenia, and then this one is the, I think this one's just coconut milk and essential oil, it says. So let's try them. I got 2, so why not try 1 under each armpit? And I haven't worn any deodorant. I don't have any on. So let's try them. This one. Yeah, these smell like Hawaii. Okay, here we go. I'll just lift this up. Let's try it on camera. It's very cooling, so this is nice, especially if it's like really hot outside. I can see this being a nice little refresher for your underarms, your armpits. Mild smell. I like that. It's a very mild smell. They were right in the sense that you can layer this with other perfumes, fragrances, whatever it is. And by the way, you get 10 in each of these. Let's just double check, yeah. You get 10 pre-moistened towelettes with each of these. Okay, now on to the coconut milk one. That's next, so we'll open this one. I already smell this one, and I'm a huge fan of coconut, so yeah, this is the one. This is it. The little papers with the deodorant are so thin themselves and like really little, super compact. I wouldn't suggest really keeping this in the car because it could dry out maybe in the car, especially in summer. So maybe keep in your purse would be a good idea. It does have a little bit of that like artificial coconut smell, but not in a bad way. I don't know. I like heavy coconut smells. So for me, it's not bad, but let's see how it does. Again, very cooling. Oh my God, I just love the smell. It's so coconutty. They're both really nice. Like the Gardenia is a really nice floral smell, not overpowering at all. This one, it's just coconut heaven. That's all I'm gonna say about that. It's coconut heaven. Yeah, now that I've thoroughly smelled my armpits for you guys, let's get to the next item. All right, so next up we have the Dream State Hydrating Hair Perfume. Let's just spray it in the air. Oh. Does this need to be shaken first or something? Because it's a little strange. Yeah, this is a dud. I don't like this one. It doesn't really smell like anything that's mentioned on the label. Like, it doesn't smell like jasmine. It doesn't smell like lemon. I don't think amethyst has a smell, but if it did, it don't smell like that either. It smells kind of like BO. I'm sorry to say that. I really don't like saying mean things. But it's just my opinion. It's my honest opinion. I was so excited for this one, but that's okay. Okay, so next up, guys, we have the After Sun Body Spray. This one is coconut vanilla, and that's honestly why I bought it. I don't really care so much about like the After Sun stuff. I've never gotten anything like that. The smell is more so what I got it for. Spray on your skin after time in the sun. Okay, let's just spray it. A lot of people will put aloe vera on their skin after going in the sun, and that's why this is nice, because it does have the aloe in it already. I was wanting it to be a little bit more coconutty so I could use it as just an overall body spray type of thing, but it's not as strong as I would have liked. Actually, when it sits on the skin, it smells actually much better. Okay, hold on. I'm like, should I smell my leg too? Hold on, let's smell my leg. Yeah! Never mind. I take it all back. I take it all back. Now that I'm actually smelling it on my skin, once it's kind of sat, it smells really good. Just so you know, there's no sun protection in this. There's no UVA or UVB protection. This might just be my favorite in the bunch so far. But let's keep going. Another sunscreen. So I can just put this directly on my face. It is a face stick, actually, that's what it says. So it comes in like a block, almost like looking like a deodorant stick, but it's really tiny. This is nice because it's very good for traveling, I would say. Same thing, zinc oxide, that's the main ingredient. I'm kind of getting hints of banana and also chocolate. It's not a lot of chocolate, it's mostly banana. So let's just do this. Is that what we do? I guess. Kind of, oh yeah, it's white. Oh no, it's white. Okay, so it was white, but it looks like actually when you rub it in, it's okay. So that you just put it on your cheeks, maybe on your jaw, on your forehead. I do like this one a lot because of the smell, the texture on the skin. It feels really nice on the face as well. And then last but not least, I got two little lipsticks. I've seen these all the time at Whole Foods and Ulta. I'll start with Crave and see how that one is. We can swatch that one first and see. So I'll do that for you right now. Smells kind of citrusy, I like that. I think this one, from far, it kind of looks okay, but I think up close when we look at it, it's a little bit too light. So what I'll probably have to do is use like a brown liner outside, smudge it a little bit so that everything kind of blends. It I do think it is a bit light. Yeah, here we have the other one called Velvet Kiss. I thought it was gonna be more purple than it was, but it's more of like a dark reddish brown terracotta color. Not really any smell. The other one smells more citrusy. This one, as you can see, it's super dark. Like, I don't know how I feel about it on me. It might take some getting used to. It's nice though. I mean, I don't see a problem with it. It feels very slick on the lips. It's moisturizing. So yeah, basically that was everything. Well, my favorites, my 3 favorites were the After Sun Coconut Vanilla Spray. I love the deodorant wipes. So I will be probably purchasing more of those, if anything. And then once that coconut spray runs out, I'm on it. I'm getting more. But yeah, besides that, thank you so much for watching. I love seeing all of you and talking to all of you. So feel free to comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. See you next time.